It's not performance if our customers can't profit from it. It's not top of the line if it doesn't add to the bottom line. Because you don't just run a vehicle on our tires, you run a business, and you want to run it better. That's why you value one thing above all: better value. Value you can measure through longer tire life and lower fuel consumption. Value that gives you the lowest total cost of ownership. Value that leads you to make the smarter choice. We drive that value. We are ATG. We are Alliance, Galaxy, Primex. And this is our story. A story of hard work, producing tires that work harder. A reputation for toughness, innovation, and versatility of customer satisfaction and rapid growth. A history of performance becoming value-driven excellence. Excellence now strengthened with ATG, becoming a Yokohama Rubber Group company in 2016. Renewing our vision to be a global leader in agriculture, forestry, construction, and material handling.
ATG, Alliance Tonnage Group, has a great successful growing in the world as off-highway tire brand. I want to keep this success. The mother company, the Yokohama Rubber Corporation, wants ATG to grow individual segment to greater strengths. With using a Yokohama resource, ATG can be the first choice for customers across all segments.
With a mission to deliver better value through the lowest total cost of ownership.
Yokohama ownership could be one of the best things that has ever happened to ATG. Yokohama has given us long-term financial stability, access to the latest technical know-how, and quality mindset. Our ambition is to be a billion-dollar company by 2020.
ATG today has a wide range of over 3,000 application and need-specific tires for a variety of machine segments. With over 200 new SKUs added every year, our better engineered solutions provide better value in every application. In agriculture, from pioneering flotation tires to making tires with IF and VF technology, ATG has been at the forefront of farm tire innovation. Manufacturing tires for every machine, every job on the farm. Tires engineered for better productivity. In construction, our tires are built to carry businesses on their back. With high strength and load carrying capacity, longer tire life, and excellent traction. In forestry, our tires deliver high performance in the most extreme applications and hostile terrains. With qualities like cut and puncture resistance, excellent ground stability, soil protection, and durability. In material handling, our tires are built for high load carrying capacity and higher tonnage, resistant to damage by abrasive surfaces, potholes, bumps, and loose debris, built to last longer with less wear and tear. ATG hasn't just built expertise and performance tires, it has built the reach that helps it deliver to customers across the world. ATG is the only independent OHT brand with field engineers, support, sales and training personnel across all 6 continents, with a presence in 120 countries, and warehouses present across all major markets, with a dedicated sales and service team ready to meet customer needs anytime, anywhere. ATG offers better value to customers, partners, dealers, and all stakeholders. through right-cost manufacturing in state-of-the-art plants at strategic locations. In Hadera in Israel, in Dahej, India, and Tirunelveli, India. Rigorous quality management systems make ATG one of the leading tire companies. From product development built on thorough testing, to manufacturing and final product inspection, to constant quality control and provision of aftermarket services, we constantly innovate so we can deliver better value.
OEMs are these days very tech-savvy and demanding, and hence we are able to deliver the products what our customer needs.
この高い技術力と経験を ATG にうまく融合させることが私の重要なミッションであると考えています。
Our new product development capabilities are best in class. We develop 15 to 20 new products every month, making us the most prolific company in the off-highway tire segment.
At ATG, it is finally the people who make it possible. A 4,000-strong team of individuals, dedicated, nimble, versatile, and global. We are value-driven, application-specific, and purpose-built. We are in agriculture, construction, material handling, and forestry. We deliver better value. We are the smarter choice. We are Alliance, Galaxy, Primex. We are ATG.